Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the types of society. Um, as we have previously discussed, that the societies vary for their cultural and social characteristics. And these characteristics are different because of several factors. For example, when we talk about the subsistence strategies, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि हम उनके लिविंग पैटर्न्स के ऊपर बात करेंगे, वो अपने माहौल के अंदर किस तरह से सर्वाइव करते हैं, लोग एक दूसरे से किस तरह से, उनकी आइडेंटिटी किस तरह से मुख्तलिफ होती है, उनके रहन सहन का अंदाज़ किस तरह से मुख्तलिफ होता है, और उनके जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है, हाउसिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन, हाउ दैट डिफर्स फ्राम द अदर पीपल. And then we talk about the ways that humans use technology to provide the needs for themselves. For example, by using technology, human beings do maneuver their surrounding environment on the basis just to customize their own living style and their own living patterns. And then we differentiate different societies based on the degree to which different groups within the society are unequal based on the resources that they possess or they use, and that differentiate their not only their identity but also their level of prestige and power in the society. And also we distinguish them on the basis of social stratification. For example, one group in a society can be higher as compared to the other group, and similarly one class or one social class can be considered high as compared to the other class. And there are some other factors as well, which include the ethnicity and language as well. In Pakistani society, if we talk about, we have numerous ethnic groups which are distinguished based on their cultural as well as linguistic characteristics. Major divisions that we do possess in Pakistan are based on the provincial distinctions, like the Punjabis are living in Punjab, Sindhis are living in Sindh, Pashtun people are living in KPK, and Baloch are living in Balochistan. And each of them have similarities as well as differences, and that we're going to discuss in our upcoming modules. But the more important thing to understand is that these differences are based on their means of subsistence, how they're going to survive in the society, as well as their use of technology and their dwelling patterns, their dressing patterns, and the use of means of communication or language.